Right, so yesterday they came and they flattened the dirt. It's still pretty rough, but it's much better than I thought it was going to be, given how wet and muddy and clumpy it all is and how crappy the soil is. But it's looking better. Oh yeah, as you can see, things are looking really good. I think that we're in the home stretch finally. So let's go inside. That's weird. Okay, so they dropped off the insulation. That's going to start going in today, I think. So you can see there's lots of electrical stuff done. Lots of plumbing done. The panel has been roughed in. Obviously, it's not going to stay there in front of the door frame. I'm pretty sure that it's going to swing over to the other side there. I hope so anyway, because otherwise that's pretty weird. Nancy had a question about the wiring coming in there, so that's currently just going and being held in place, but it's eventually got to tap into the water heater there, so that'll all work. The room, again, oh, nice overhead lighting there. You can see where they put some foam insulation around the air vents. Mini split. Wiring. Scooch through, same thing. Larger bedroom, mini split, wiring, walls, overhead lights. And I think there's supposed to be fans up there too, maybe that's it. So more insulation. Back here we have the washroom, what will be the washroom. Plumbing is mostly left in. The toilet and the sink and everything like that, it has to wait for the insulation to be done and the walls to be done. But that may happen really soon. I suspect they'll be back to do the insulation today, and then drywall sometime, I don't know, maybe this week, for sure next week then. So we're getting there, getting close.